Davinci Resolve 19 is a remarkable and versatile software that truly revolutionizes the world of video editing and post-production. This latest version integrates a comprehensive suite of tools that encompass editing, color correction, visual effects, and audio post-production, all within a single cohesive application. Its user interface is not only intuitive but also highly customizable, making it accessible for beginners while offering a plethora of advanced features that satisfy the needs of seasoned professionals. One of the standout aspects of Davinci Resolve 19 is its significant improvements in performance. The software is now faster and more efficient, allowing users to handle high-resolution footage and complex projects with unprecedented ease. In addition to performance enhancements, Davinci Resolve 19 introduces several AI-powered tools that streamline the editing process and enhance creative possibilities. Features such as smart reframing, object removal, and facial recognition save time and improve workflow efficiency, enabling editors to focus more on their creative vision rather than getting bogged down by technical details. Overall, Davinci Resolve 19 sets a new standard in the video editing industry. Its powerful features, enhanced performance, and user-friendly interface make it an essential tool for any video editor. Whether you're working on a simple YouTube video or a complex film production, Davinci Resolve 19 provides all the tools you need to bring your creative vision to life. Its seamless workflow, combined with its extensive capabilities, ensures that you can achieve professional quality results every time.